I would like to share with you some encouragement from the year 1776. When I wrote the Declaration of Independence, I included the words, "All men are created equal." We voted on those words on the 4th of July, 1776, as the reason for our revolution and the basis of what it means to be American. When I wrote all men, I meant all mankind, all human beings, not just males like me or who look like me. But I knew that we hadn't yet gotten to the point at which we treated everybody equally. I knew that it was going to take a long time for America to get there. I believe that the earth belongs to the living. So when I wrote, "All men are created equal," I didn't mean just the people who lived at the same time that I lived. I meant everybody. I meant you. So when you think of those words, "All men are created equal," remember, that means that you are equal to any of the people who founded the United States of America. And that means that you have the ability and the responsibility to act like you are founders of the United States. Do what we did. Change those things that you think need to be changed. Don't let anybody tell you that you are not patriotic because you want to change the country you love. You tell them that you are a founder as well, just like Thomas Jefferson. And that means that you don't have to live in Thomas Jefferson's America. This is your country. You belong here. Act like it. Make it your own. Maybe you won't change everything you want to change right away, but you are able to begin changing some things for the better. And if you keep trying, eventually you might change the whole country. I know you can do this because I did it. And you are my equals.